Facebook Marketplace is a gold mine. It's a huge online marketplace right inside Facebook. Millions of people are already there looking for products just like yours. No need to build a website or a fancy online store. Facebook Marketplace is your shortcut to success. It's easy to use and it's free to get started. You can start small and scale up as your business grows. Think of Facebook Marketplace as a giant online yard sale, but way better. You can reach people in your local area and beyond. No more waiting for the weekend to sell your stuff. Facebook Marketplace is open 24/7, 365 days a year. But it's not just about selling old stuff. You can build a real business on Facebook Marketplace. Are you passionate about something? Find products related to your passion and sell them. You can source products from wholesalers or become a reseller. The best part? You're tapping into Facebook's massive user base. These are people already using the platform, ready to buy. You just need to put your products in front of them. Ready to dive in? Let's do this. Creating your Facebook Marketplace business page is a breeze. It's all about making it easy for customers to find and trust you. First things first, head over to Facebook and click on Marketplace. See that Create Listing button? That's your starting point. Next, choose Shop from the options. This is where you'll showcase your amazing products. Fill out your shop details, including your business name, contact info, and a catchy description. Be clear, be concise, be compelling. Now, let's talk about your profile picture. Make it count. Use your logo or a clear image that represents your brand. And don't forget your cover photo. Use this space to showcase your products or highlight your brand's personality. Once you're all set, hit that Create button. Congratulations! You're officially in business on Facebook Marketplace. Now comes the fun part, listing your products. Before you start raking in the dough, let's talk about the rules of the game. Facebook Marketplace has policies in place to ensure a safe and fair experience for everyone. Think of them as guidelines to keep things running smoothly. First and foremost, be honest and transparent in your listings. Accurately describe your products, including any flaws or defects. Don't try to deceive anyone. It'll only come back to bite you. Respect intellectual property rights. Don't sell counterfeit goods or products that infringe on someone else's trademarks or copyrights. Stick to selling authentic items that you have the right to sell. Facebook Marketplace has strict rules against discriminatory practices. Treat all buyers with respect, regardless of their race, religion, gender, or any other protected characteristic. Remember, a diverse and inclusive marketplace is a thriving marketplace. By following Facebook Marketplace's policies, you're creating a trustworthy reputation for your business. And trust is everything in the world of online commerce. You've got amazing products. Now let's make them shine online. On Facebook Marketplace, presentation is everything. High-quality images are your secret weapon to grab attention and drive sales. Think of your product photos as your storefront window. They're the first impression potential buyers get, so make it count. Use natural light and shoot against a clean, clutter-free background to make your products pop. Showcase your products from multiple angles. Provide close-ups to highlight details and textures. If your product comes in different variations, show them all off. Give buyers all the information they need to make a decision. And don't forget about the power of lifestyle shots. Show your products in action, being used and enjoyed by real people. This helps potential buyers envision themselves using your products in their own lives. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words, especially on Facebook Marketplace. Invest time and effort in creating stunning product photos that will stop scrollers in their tracks. Section 5. Getting noticed. Marketing your products effectively. Listing your products is just the first step. Now, you need to get them in front of the right people. That's where marketing comes in. Lucky for you, Facebook Marketplace offers a treasure trove of marketing tools to boost your visibility. First up, let's talk about Facebook ads. These targeted ads can put your products directly in the news feeds of potential customers. You can target your ads based on location, demographics, interests, and even online behaviors. But it's not all about paid advertising. Leverage Facebook groups to your advantage. Join relevant buy and sell groups in your niche and share your listings there. Engage in conversations, answer questions, and be a valuable member of the group. Don't underestimate the power of social media sharing. Encourage your friends, family, and followers to share your Facebook Marketplace listings on their own profiles. Word-of-mouth marketing is still incredibly effective, especially in the age of social media. Remember, marketing is all about getting your products seen by the right people. By using a combination of paid advertising, social media engagement, and good old-fashioned word of mouth, you can reach a wider audience and drive more sales. Section 6. Communication is key engaging with your customers. On Facebook Marketplace, building relationships is just as important as making sales. Engage with your customers, answer their questions promptly, and provide exceptional customer service. Respond to inquiries and messages as quickly as possible. Buyers appreciate prompt and helpful communication. Be friendly, professional, and go the extra mile to address their concerns. Offer multiple shipping options and be transparent about shipping costs and delivery times. Provide tracking information to keep buyers informed about the status of their orders. After a sale, follow up with your customers to ensure their satisfaction. Ask for feedback to identify areas where you can improve. Positive reviews and testimonials can go a long way in building trust and attracting new customers. Remember, happy customers are your best advocates. By providing exceptional customer service, you're building a loyal customer base that will keep coming back for more. Section 7. Level up. Scaling your business for growth. Congratulations, you're well on your way to building a successful business on Facebook Marketplace. But the journey doesn't end there. Now it's time to level up and scale your business for growth. First things first, streamline your operations. Invest in tools and systems that can automate tasks, such as inventory management, order fulfillment, and customer communication. This frees up your time to focus on strategic growth initiatives. Expand your product offerings based on customer demand and market trends. Conduct thorough market research to identify profitable niches and source high-quality products that align with your brand. Consider building a team to support your growing business. Hire virtual assistants, customer service representatives, or fulfillment specialists to handle day-to-day operations. Delegating tasks allows you to focus on high-level strategy and growth. Remember, scaling your business is an ongoing process of optimization and adaptation. By continuously evaluating your processes, expanding your offerings, and building a strong team, you can take your Facebook Marketplace business to new heights. Section 8. Case Study from Zero to Hero on Facebook Marketplace. Let's dive into a real-life example of a business that went from zero to hero on Facebook Marketplace. Meet Sarah, a stay-at-home mom with a passion for handmade jewelry. She started small, selling her creations to friends and family. Sarah decided to take her business to the next level by creating a Facebook Marketplace shop. She invested in high-quality product photography, wrote compelling descriptions, and actively engaged with potential customers. To market her products, Sarah joined relevant Facebook groups, ran targeted Facebook ads, and encouraged her existing customers to spread the word. Her unique designs and exceptional customer service quickly gained traction. As her business grew, Sarah streamlined her operations by investing in inventory management software and hiring a virtual assistant to help with order fulfillment. She also expanded her product line to include custom-designed pieces. Today, Sarah's Facebook Marketplace business is a thriving success story. She's living proof that with passion, hard work, and a strategic approach to Facebook Marketplace, anything is possible. Section 9. Wrapping it up. Key takeaways for marketplace success. Building a successful business on Facebook Marketplace is within your reach. Remember these key takeaways as you embark on your entrepreneurial journey. Presentation is everything. Invest in high-quality product photos and write compelling descriptions that highlight the benefits of your products. Market your products effectively. Utilize Facebook ads, engage in relevant Facebook groups, and leverage the power of social media sharing. Provide exceptional customer service. Respond to inquiries promptly. Offer multiple shipping options and go the extra mile to ensure customer satisfaction. Scale your business strategically. Streamline operations, expand product offerings, and build a team to support your growth. Facebook Marketplace is a dynamic and ever-evolving platform. Embrace the challenge, stay adaptable, and never stop learning. With hard work and dedication, you can turn your entrepreneurial dreams into a thriving reality. Now go out there and crush it.